Want to learn how to use SUMIF functions with dates? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you two ways to obtain the sum of values based on a date or a range of dates. To begin, notice in this first example that I have a spreadsheet with sales in column A, the value of which sale in column B, and the respective dates in column C. And here, in the cell F3, I want to obtain the total sales for the date entry here in the cell F2, which in this case is January 8. In other words, I want Excel to show the sum of all sales that occurred on this date. And to do this, I use the SUMIF function as follows: equals SUMIF, open parentheses. The range argument is column C that contains the sales dates. Criteria is the cell F2 that contains the date I want to get the total sales. And sum range argument is the column B that contains the values. To finish, just close the parentheses and press enter. So notice that Excel returned here the total value of sales made on January 8. Now let's see how it works to get the sum of values in a range of dates. So notice in the second example that I have the same sales table, but now I want to get the total sales from the period from January 8 to March 2015. And in this case, since I have two criteria, I use the SUMIF functions instead of the SUMIF function. So the formula will be equals SUMIFs, open parentheses. The sum range argument is the column B that contains the sales values. Criteria range 1 is the column C that contains the dates. Now to specify criteria 1, I do the following: open double quotes, insert the greater than equal signs, close quotes. I use ampersand to concatenate with the cell F2 that contains the first date. And now I need to specify criteria range 2, which again is column C that contains the dates. And here in criteria 2, I will open double quotes, less than equal, close quotes, and I use ampersand to concatenate with the cell F3 that contains the second date. So notice that I defined the sum range and then I defined the two criteria, which in this case are the dates of January 8 and March 2015. To finish, just close the parentheses and press enter. And that's it. Notice that Excel has turned the total sales for this period only. If you have other criteria, such as the name of a salesperson or a specific product, then you can include them here along with the SUMIF functions in the same way. I hope I helped. And if you liked this video, I'm sure you also like this another video that I left here in the cards. See you next time.